welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an Origami Pikachu, and they actually end up looking really nice. But yeah, let's get started. So first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to fold in half, open it back up, and fold it the other way. And then you're going to want to fold it in half. You're going to want to turn it over and fold it in half to make a triangle shaped thing. And open it back up and you press down on this line that you just made, and you should get something like this. So you're going to make it a fold like this, and then you get this thing. And you're going to be wondering, how do I get this into Pikachu? We'll fold this way, right? Turn it over and do it again. Now you can see the line here. I don't know if you can see it that good. There's a line, and what you're going to want to do is fold one side onto this line. Make sure that the bottom part is like the part that you can open up, not this part. Then you're going to want to put the other one in, and then you're going to want to fold this down along the lines and open it back up. Open this. Now like this and this. So then you're going to want to do this exact same thing for the other side. Put both sides in. And pull this down. Pull it back up. And this. Get this. Again. And you want to do, you're going to fold this top down. Same thing. Turn over to this side. I have this. Okay, turn it over this way. This does not look like a Pikachu. Well, if you open this one back up and fold this into the middle, then it's not gonna look that little like a Pikachu. And then we're gonna want to do that the same thing to the other side. Didn't take that long. And then you're going to want to fold this to this bottom line here. You're going to want to make sure you do it real good, because we're about to do something here. This is an easy way. If you want it like this, just completely ignore me for the next few steps. If you want this to disappear off of one side and both sides still look perfect, then do what I say this time. You want to open it up a bit. If you look in here, is that right? So you want to push this top little part through. Start making folds along these lines. It's actually really hard for me still. Push it back in, and you remake the whole thing. Pop into place really nicely. And you get this out on any other sides. And now that you have this, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to grab this and like move it out like that till it reaches this corner. This is when you're gonna want to press down. You want to do the same thing with the other side. We got this. I'll actually open this back up. Kind of fold this down. Honestly, really hard. I messed up on this tip. But yeah, here you are. Pikachu. Now, probably draw on it. It's like look more like a Pikachu. You draw the little face, 2 buck eyeballs, nose, and cheeks, and a squiggly line for the mouth. But I don't like drawing on my origami. I keep it like this, nice and simple, so that I can look as fast. Or else you might ruin it with the whole drawing part. But yeah, this is how you make an origami Pikachu, and we're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe, even if you don't have the notifications on, you don't watch this again, and like the video, so it could get out, more people could learn how to do this, and share it with your friends or other people you know who like origami or Pokemon, and help me get better equipment for the channel, and have more time to make more videos. I can do this as a full-time job. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all later.